welcome to our very first lesson. Today it's going to be math, where we're going to be learning about 3D shapes. So before spring break, we finished our 2D shapes, where we learned about circles and squares and rectangles and diamonds and rhombuses and pentagons and a whole bunch of other shapes. Now we're going to use those shapes to build 3D shapes. So 3D shapes have more than one side, unlike our 2D shapes, which are just a flat surface. Just like if we think about a square, it is just a flat surface. It has 4 sides and 4 corners or vertices. We learned all about that. Where 3D shapes are made up of more than just one shape. For example, the first shape we're going to learn is going to be a cube. A cube is made up of squares. So let's remember what a square is. A square has 4 sides and 4 corners that are all the same length. For example, a dice is a cube, and it is made up of squares, just like my block here. This is one side of my cube is a square with 4 corners and 4 sides. We remember that? I think so. So now we're going to be talking about cubes. So cubes, just like my block here, are made up of more than one, and it's a 3D shape. So for cubes have 6 sides. We can count them together. I'm going to use this one here that I made. We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, on the back, 5, 6. It has 6 sides. And then for the corners, we need to make sure we count all corners. It has 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once you build your own cube, which we're going to do at the end of this video, you will be able to count your cube and make sure that you can count all 8 corners or vertices. It also has 12 edges. So edges are the lines that make our sides. So edges are the lines that make our sides. So on my cube, it has 12 edges. So we can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the back side, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then connecting this square with this square, we need to count these ones. So those 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It has 12 sides. Again, you'll be able to use your cube that you make to count. So this is a cube. A cube is made up of only squares, so it needs to have 4 corners, 4 sides that are all the same length. That's what makes it a cube. All right? So we're going to make a cube. So in your math duotang, you will see once you get to the new section of yours, you're going to see net of a cube. A net is what we use for 3D shapes in order to build them. So if we took apart my cube and laid it out flat, that makes our net. So that's the net. So you're going to find that and you're going to cut it out. Making sure that when you cut out your cube, you are following the black lines and then the dotted lines. Where there's dotted lines, those tabs are what we're going to glue so that it can stay together. If we cut them off, then you won't be able to glue your cube together. So you're just cutting around the outside of this entire shape, and then we'll be able to put it together. All right? Then you fold it up and you make your cube, and you put glue on the pieces that have the dotted lines. So glue here and here and here and here. And I want to make sure that you color your cube. I colored every side of my cube different so that when I was counting it, I would remember what side I have already counted by the color. The next thing you're going to do after you make your cube is you're going to find the first actual worksheet, and it says cubes at the top. It says cubes at the top. We've done lots of these worksheets before when we were looking at our 2D shapes, so I know you're all very, very familiar with this. In this one, what you need to do is you need to circle the cubes. So the top part here is just showing you that these ones are cubes and these ones are not. And then down below, you need to circle in each row which ones are cubes. Which ones are cubes? So just a reminder, a cube is something that is made up of squares. So it has 4 sides and 4 corners. All right? Cubes. That is your task. That is your math task for today, is learning all about cubes. So you need to build your cube that will end up looking like this. And you need to fill in that worksheet. And that will be the end of our math lesson for today. I have created a Prodigy account and all of the information has been sent out to your parents. So when you are done doing your worksheet and putting your cube together, you can go on there and I have set it up to learn all about 3D shapes. I hope you enjoyed seeing me. I sure miss all of your smiling faces and I can't wait to film more lessons for you. Have a wonderful day.